My ear say, Andrew Holness, I give you money.
I do not want to mix up with those people. Look at me, man.
So you tear money since me give you?
Me there, you have goals now. Fuck around me.
So you tear money for?
If they want back in chicken back friendly, give me money for chicken.
That's glad.
If they want,
We just give Sheena money for go buy chicken to
I know
Ross
what they
Flat.
want, the back, brother.
And Sheena tear up the money before I reach up a shop.
I know me. It's all Philip theory down here when I with theory inside.
Me just give Sheena 5 bills.
Money, I want the back.
And me just give Sheena money for go buy chicken. And by the time Sheena reach up a shop, he tear up the money.
Give back the theory, money no good. And you hold on for the money up there. Like a V blood clot money and a V blood clot where that's your old work. You want my money?
My ear say, Andrew Holness, I give you money.
I do not want to mix up with those people. Look at me, man. No, I'm not doing no politician. You're not a politician. You're laughing. Don't call the man name on me thing. You're not a politician. So we are bringing politics. Still as it is, without the politics.
20,000. Come on.
You're not a politician, never vote for your band.
No, but 20,000 I give you one.
No,
Theater.
no, we're not selling up for no money.
Them I give back money.
I don't care.
Tax money or something.
I do not care.
You not pay tax?
Yeah, but
Me and you
them not give back money for taxi. And
Yeah.
Yeah, them I give you 20K.
So,
I don't want the people their money, and I'm not paying tax. I'm not paying tax to get those money.
give me your ID.
No ID for you. Hey, brother, you just a party never vote for your band. Stop laugh with me, man. Laugh.
So we're going to
Bella, I do not want.
sign up for the money.
I don't like it in politics. I like it as it is without politics.
But we're not in the politics to get the money.
The way I talk about politics thing for.
What a money?
No, money is the root of all evil. The love of money is the root of all evil.
So
You can't
it's
lead it to your
money.
death.
Gotcha. It's money.
That's it. Them tell one and 42 stars.
We're not talking about that.
Yes, you know what? You want the death of it.
That is.
Them killing the insurance to see
That
it. Yeah, man. Money kill people. Money kill people. Leave me alone.
So,
I like it as it is. I don't want in the politics talking with me. I like it as it is. I don't want to talk about politics and give you money.
but our free money I give you 20,000. I can sign
But
up. You
this
pay
is
tax?
assume, yes.
You pay tax? Let me sign it. Give me your ID.
Tax. Yeah, I pay GCT.
Give me the money.
Which money that?
Give me your ID. Let me sign it.
I'm asking the ID.
When you say pay
You
GCT?
play too. You will have your GCT. Tax that.
What money I give you?
No money not giving away.
20,000 I give you. Your bank account?
I mean, my bank account. I have a bank account.
Yeah, bank account.
From all time they will have money on it. The money in the bank to help the economy. Turn and help build up me. If you don't put money in the bank, it's destabilization of the economy. But tell you something. Put the money in the bank and make the money stay and turn and help up the country. The laws of the land.
Let me see your ID.
Why you want to see my
You
ID?
don't have the ID, you know? Let me see ID, you know?
ID.
Me can sign it, I can get the 20,000.
I do not want no money from. Give me money to the people. If I
The
money
money
to
I
give.
go give you for taxpayer.
You assume that don't mean.
No, I sign up already. I pay tax. Come,
Your GCT.
I pay tax.
What you talking is friction, innit?
No, I need some more.
Tax return.
But me not pay tax to get them to look how long me
Oh,
work.
Yeah.
Long time me not work with government. I used to work with the minister because I'm
But you can't dare night.
Me cannot dare
That's why
into-
give me an ID.
Let's see no I because you want know.
Why you don't want me to get the ID?
Construction worker. You know what I tell you what?
Give me your ID.
What you I
Give me
don't
your
wanna.
ID. Give me your ID.
I give you my ID.
So what am I going to do with your ID?
I'm not supposed to get you know.
Give
We
me
don't
your
want
ID.
that much long time.
Give me your
And you can-
ID. Can I have your ID?
Are you going to collect that money? Not me.
Yeah, me I collect it. Give me your ID.
I don't know what you want my ID and I can.
Give me your ID.
No, you know what? What you want? Leave me alone.
If I get the money with you, give me the ID, you know? So
This
why
is
you don't want to
Yeah.
Hey, this is real.
Yes, it is
You're
real.
not gonna get any money.
Yeah, get it. Give me the ID.
You're not gonna get any money.
Give me the ID. ID for sure.
What do you mean? Never say baby ID. They say my ID in Europe, you know. They don't change money if me not have ID. But
Give me a hug now.
And you know, say, you're talking.
Hold on.
Everybody tap up the screen in the chat. Tap up the screen, everybody.
What do you want to do?
Everybody tap up the screen and press the at me and join the team. No question. Say my lighting cigarette and catch your fire.
Yeah, give Philip, they want it. Give Philip.
This is not good, Sheena. This a figure just finish catch a fire. May I figure just finish? May I finish catch this a fire?
No, man.
May I finish catch your fire? No, man. May I finish catch your fire? No, may I light your fire? This is not good. This is not good. No, man. May I light it?
No, me not that shit, man. Come.
No, man. May I finish that? May I give you one different one? May I give you one different one? Aye. May I light this one?
That's not good.
And now them are going to kill me. Bumbo clot, Sheena. Wait now. And now them are going to kill me. May I light it? No, may I burn up. May I finish burn up? May I give you one different one?
No, Jack, me are going to talk with you, man.
This I can't pay for your Sheena.
No, me are going to bank, brother.
Eh?
Me are going to
But me finish lighting it. No, may I catch it?
You know?
May I give you one different one,
No,
Sheena?
me are not it, man. No, yourself, man.
Sheena, no.
He good.
I'm going to catch that for you, you know.
No, no, the money.
Puss milk, regret one man.
What is that, Bill? Yeah, you be here, man. You take it, man. You take it, what is it?
Light, you know, want to see me lighting money for no kill me now on TikTok. Fuck out, no. Yeah, man, that you know want to see me do.
Why no?
For no blame me.
We blame you. Why you had that phone?
My money they want to see me lightly while for them blame me.
For what? No, not the money, brother. You can't go in and down and spend, brother.
Tap up the screen, everybody. Kayla, you can go look at man, girl.
Click on you. Hurt my blood clot, man. You can't hurt me. Click out your blood clot. Hey. All in my load, jump on and bite out your blood clot.
Yeah, me I tell you, me like that the money the little while and kill me.
Who lied it?
Keddy, good morning, Keddy. What's up, Keddy? How are you?
How people take it, Philip? What do you money?
Kali, you cannot go watch a man and stop watch me, Kali. Yeah, man, puss milk, that you know what I see me do now. So when me start scroll pan for you page and me alone, me see a light money. Katie, what's up? You better tell the people them make you lighty money, Wally. Wally phone and mine, they nobody send your phone. Tell them make you lighty money, eh? Me abonny.
No, I don't want no phone again.
Wally, are you being honest? Auntie Sheena, why you lighty money little while?
Me not tell you.
You don't love money?
No, me hate money.
You hate money?
Never send no phone and low it down.
You no money then, we are going to give you any food you want, me I go make sure so you get it. Me not give you no money again.
Never give me no again, sorry about that. I don't go like money.
Any food you want, you get it. Philip put no for angle money, you don't know for angle money.
You don't understand money.
You don't understand money.
Yeah, then you want to get money, man, and me don't understand it.
You don't understand the money, Sheena. Philip understand the money.
Me understand money.
No, sir, if you did understand the money, you would catch it money off fire.
Then let me this guy with the company. I know very boss.
A spite.
I spite me, I spite you, no, no.
A spite yourself.
I know me, I was a very dear spite. Can't check up Sheena, blood clot, probably. Batty boy come from Canada. What's your batty boy?
Who that?
You know, you're not even the door up there. Mom was left friend down here. Batty boy, come check me out of this blood clot. And you put me a come. You're mad, girl. Batty boy. Gunshot for your bus, son. He's going to be cooking and love Philip. You know, price, you know. Oh.
Let me see it, Sheena.
I don't take no money on you. You're not money on you.
No tap up the screen there, guys. Please and thanks. Everybody power tap.